Hello and welcome to another Buxton Barrow Man cleanup video. We have some high aspirations today. Hopefully I'm going to head up to Cunning Dale. So I took a walk around Cunning Dale recently and it's chock full of rubbish around where the allotments are and Otter's controls. So at least if I don't get anything else done, that will be done today. But it does mean getting there. Basically the other side of town. So we've got a fair bit to go. And there's already quite a bit of rubbish. So it's going to be a long day, regardless of how well we do. Well, it looks like we're not going anywhere with haste, because I haven't even made it around the corner to Crowstones yet. There's a fair more here than there usually is. If you watch my postbox video and you're wondering where the other anonymous box is, it's here on Crowstones. What's also here is that amount of rubbish, which was just on the corner on the bridge towards the allotments. It's ridiculous. I don't know if to call it a good start or not. It's filling up. Definitely going to have to empty it early before we go down the road. At some point there must have been an accident on the Morrison's roundabout because I just have someone's rim. So I cleaned that up. I honestly thought we won this battle. I had this spot cleaned in Morrison's for ages and then someone's obviously just gone and dumped their rubbish from the van or whatever down it. It's just pathetic, I don't get it. Well, the barrow's not empty, but I didn't want to fill the bin either, so people can still put their rubbish in it if they're good enough to do so. Right, we've got enough space now we can tackle the main road. You can see some rubbish on the bank of the river there. I don't know if I'll be able to get it or not. Just in case you caught it, that was off. I did put it back on. Don't want some kids sticking their fingers in there. We've reached the end of the dale. Almost filled the barrow, but just look at the state of the orchard. There's rubbish everywhere, all along it, on both sides. So I'm going to spend probably a good 20 minutes cleaning this up, and we'll see how long it takes. Well, I've definitely filled my barrow now, but that is much better. I've even managed to get some of the stuff out of the bushes. I think for a while the bin here was removed, so it's nice to see that it's back. I might just put some rubbish in here as well, just to get rid of the pile. Well, made it to the top of Fairfield Road. We're getting closer to Cunning Dale, but I'm just having a small break at the bus stop. There's a nice lovely bench here. And we'll carry on. So after my break, I did empty the wheelbarrow into the bin beside the bus stop. Empty that. I didn't think this road would be so bad. I mean, it's just this hedge really, but still not great, is it? I was going to head straight to Cunning Dale. I didn't really expect to pick up much on the way. Right, it's gone cold enough that this GoPro's now died. There's some bin bags here, which is promising that someone might have cleaned up what I may need to clean up. But I brought some bin bags of my own because this is the nearest bin to Cunning Dale. It's quite far away. So I'm going to empty this so then I can use the bin bags whilst I'm there. So I've not got a dirty barrow to carry the bin bags. We'll see how much we get from it. I don't know, it depends who's cleaned it up, but there was a lot of rubbish last time I went down Cunning Dale, wine bottles and all sorts, so we'll see what we can do. Starting to collect a few things just on the walk down. Bits here and there. Quite a few people do walk their dogs and whatnot down this bit. So, oh, it's actually quite a lot of cans. 1, 2, 3. Almost have a full bag, which is concerning because I only brought 2 bin bags, thinking, oh, it's not going to fill that. But even just the walk to where I saw the rubbish, there's loads. I mean, this bit where these old post-war prefabs used to be, they're just a dumping ground anyway. Like, I will literally be here for weeks. So I've just been getting the brightly coloured cans and things that that are most visible from this side. Things like this. It's starting to rain, which isn't ideal. I've tied off the first bag. We're on our second bag, and I found a third bag which had some decomposing horrible food in it. So, well, I mean, it's a third bin bag, so it helps nonetheless. So I believe these bushes are better than when I saw them before. They're still grim. It's not too bad here, but look at all that in there. And I have a problem because I've always filled everything already. There's all this to go. See what we can do. Once I've filled the bin bags up, I can fill the barrow on top of it. But I've filled one bin bag, almost filled another, and I'm halfway through another. So it's 4 o'clock now. I've run out of bin bags. All 3 of them are completely full. Don't really have much more space in the wheelbarrow. There is more rubbish just beyond the corner, just before you get to the allotments, and then once you're actually in the dale, it's fine. I'll go record it just as an example of how disgraceful it is, but I can't do much more to clean it up. I think overall, currently, I might be able to pick some stuff on the way back if it doesn't get too dark, but we've done about 6 or 7 wheelbarrows worth, because we've got 3 bin bags, and then I did 3, maybe 4 wheelbarrows earlier. There is some other bits of rubbish in the wheelbarrow, just larger bits that didn't need to go in the bags. It's a lot. We've done a lot today. A lot more than I expected, so it's good. I'm happy. Well, that's the start of the dale just down there. To be honest, it's not as much as I thought there was at this bit. There's only a few bits lying in the bushes. Which, I mean, as long as I come up here before winter's over and they start growing again, I think we can very easily get the rest of this. We have done the majority, which is good. Only that small section there of this thick bush by a 4x4 centre. Right, I need to go find a reasonable bin to put this next to, and I need to start heading home before it goes pitch black, because I don't really want to be carrying this through the dark. So I'll do my intro once I have I'll do my outro once I've dumped these off. Well, yeah, that's it for this week's cleanup video. Like I said, it's probably about 6 or 7 barrows full of rubbish. I didn't do any more on the way. Found a good place to put all the bin bags and empty the rest of the rubbish I had in the wheelbarrow. And now it's time to walk back, but it has gone pretty dark already, so gotta make haste. Thank you very much for watching. A huge thank you to my supporters on Ko-fi. Until next time, ta-ra.